How to score a volley in EA Sports FC 25. The best thing to do is go to the practice area to practice your volleys. With 2 players on the pitch, all you need to do is cross the ball, and when the ball is in the air, you need to press the shoot while the ball is in the air. So once you press the shoot button, the player will then volley the ball. At times, depending where the ball is, he may half volley it or head it if it's too high to volley the ball with his foot. He can also, if it's a skillful player, do skillful volleys like that bicycle kick there then. It's about putting the ball in the correct position for the player to take the volley. You don't need to press any button combinations or anything like that. You just simply need to press the shoot button when the ball is in the air. So that's how to score a volley in EA Sports FC 25.